With this video, let's begin talking about the Facebook Pixel.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
It's not a pixel like you would think on your actual physical screen of your computer. It's something else. So in this video, we're going to start by going right to Facebook documentation. This is the Facebook help area. And this is where they explain about the Facebook Pixel, so that I want to make sure that you understand exactly what this is. It's actually an analytics tool that allows you to measure effectiveness of your ads. And it's going to be a little code that you're going to generate. You're going to generate it on Facebook, and you're going to place that code on your website, and it's going to allow Facebook to communicate with your website behind the scenes and gather information of what's happening on your website. So when you're driving traffic and you're running ads and you're driving traffic from Facebook to your website, Facebook will be able to see, oh, the people who clicked on these ads, what did they do later? So they'll be able to determine how effective the ads are. And the result is going to be that Facebook is going to show future ads to more accurate, correct audiences. They're going to help you find new customers, and they're not going to show your ads to people who aren't ideal. So this is actually going to be something that long-term improves the performance of your ads. And also you'll be able to have some analytics and understand what the performance of your ads is. So now that you understand the basics of a Facebook Pixel, let's actually go and make one. So here we are in your Facebook Business Manager. And what we want to do is we want to go and on the left side, go under data sources. There should be an option for pixels, and you would click on the pixel, and then you would create a new pixel. I already have one created, but let's create another one. So I'm going to create plus add. I'm going to give it a name. So it's for this blog of mine, and it just basically, the pixel name is going to be the name of the blog so that I don't get confused between the two pixels that I have. And we're going to say create. Then it gives you this screen where you successfully created it. You see in the background, you see it does show up right here, but there's some work that needs to be done, and that's setting up the pixel and adding that code on your actual website. So that's what we're going to choose. We're going to click set up the pixel now. If you are working with sites like BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, and a lot of the ones mentioned here, that's your option. If you have a developer that's doing this for you and the developer is editing your site, this is the option you need to follow. I'm going to follow this option. Manually install your pixel code yourself. And that's a common option because really that code that they're going to give you, your developer has to edit anyway if you use one. So I'm going to click that, and then it's going to give me some code. And it basically explains that you need to locate the header tag of your website. And in HTML, the header tag is just something that appears towards the top. And then this is your actual pixel code. So I'm going to click copy to clipboard. Now I copied it. And I'm going to go into my WordPress, or in your case, whatever you use to manage your website, and I'm just going to add that to the header tag. So on my WordPress, I had to navigate to custom CSS and JavaScript, and I chose JavaScript, and I pasted this JavaScript here, and I pressed publish. And there might be some debugging, there might be some things that maybe didn't get set right, but generally that should set the pixel. So when you're back on this screen, for now, just because this is all a test, I turned off the automatic advanced matching, and then there's this option of sending traffic to your pixel to test the pixel. So I gave it the URL, and let's see what happens. It says the pixel is active, and we say continue. Now the pixel is set, and we're going to be able to do a few things with it in the next videos.